Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says which statement is incorrect for animals belonging to the class ostracids. तो क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है ostracids के अकॉर्डिंग कौन कौन से ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे गलत है. First option says the presence of cycloid or ctenoid scales. Second says both marine and freshwater forms with bony endoskeleton. And the third option says mouth terminal and gills is covered by operculum. And the last option says notochord is persistent only at larval stage. After that it disappears. So let's start this question with key concept that we will discuss about in this question is our key concept will be about class ostracids. Moving further, you should know what is ostracids. They are freshwater as well as marine fishes, marine fish. Example we can know labio. In visual language, it is known as rohu. You have heard about katla. It is known as katla as a common name. So these are the fishes which are very common of ostracids. Now moving further, let's see the options one by one, which of them is correct and which are incorrect. Then option A says the presence of cycloid and ctenoid scales. Yes, their body having outer covering of ctenoid scales. These ctenoid scales act as protective layer for their body. Option B says both marine and freshwater forms with bony endoskeleton. Yes, as we discussed previously, both are they are freshwater as well as marine, and their body is covered by bony endoskeleton. They have bony endoskeleton. And the option C is mouth terminal and gills covered by operculum. Yes, they have operculum as the outer covering of mouth terminal. This operculum helps in opening and closing of gills. We can write here this helps in opening and closing of gills. Option D says notochord is persistent at larval stage, that after that it disappears. Then this statement is wrong. Actually, notochord is replaced by vertebral column as they grow in their life. So from this explanation we can conclude that option 1, that is they have ctenoid scale as outer covering. They are both marine and and having bony endoskeleton. Mouth is covered with operculum and that helps in opening and closing of gills. And the last option is notochord disappears. Actually, notochord didn't disappear. They are replaced by vertebral column in the later stage of life. So from this statement we can conclude just option D is incorrect and the question is asking about the incorrect answer. So our final answer will be D. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.